Do you have problems with your Apple device? We've got the fix. At Dr. Mac Toronto, we've been repairing Apple devices since 2010. Macbooks, iMacs, you name it. From liquid damage to screen replacements and sluggish performance, we handle it all. The best part? You don't pay until it's fixed. Our certified technicians use high-quality factory parts for fast, high-quality repairs. Many fixes are done on the same day, and screen or battery replacements take under an hour. No appointment is needed. Just drop by or take advantage of our mail-in and pickup services for extra convenience. With over 4,000 satisfied customers, we deliver expert repairs at fair prices. Visit us at Bloor Street, West or Scarborough, and get your Apple device back to peak performance. Call now or stop by. Dr. Mac Toronto gets your Apple back in action.